Welcome to our virtual showroom. Take advantage of the summer sales and don't hesitate to ask me any questions. Very well, thank you. How old are your children? Do they play video games? You already have a budget in mind? And what is it for? Gaming? Work? In your case, I advise you to look at the HP Envy. We stay within your budget, being sold at minus 20%. This is a MacBook Pro. It's above your budget, but it's a very good computer if you like the macOS interface. This is the HP Envy that I recommended to you. It suits your needs really well. Available in 3 colors. It costs $800 including tax during the sales. Awesome! In order to prepare your order, we need your name, address, and email. Thank you, Jean, for your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email as well as a delivery date. Do not hesitate to ask any questions. Contact me to see any other products, keyboard, ergonomic chair, headset. I'm at your service.